Hey there, welcome to the video. Today we're diving into a common problem encountered by developers compiling applications on macOS with Xcode. The issue at hand involves symbols having a mysterious ABI, de180100 suffix, appended to them in the object files produced by the compiler. It's a head-scratcher for sure, especially when you realize that this suffix isn't present in the actual C++ code. Let's unravel this intriguing problem together and shed some light on why this suffix is showing up. In understanding the solution to our problem, we come to learn that the ABI, de180100 appendage is actually a critical lib++ ABI tag. Lib++ being the LLVM clang implementation of the standard C++ library, utilizes this tag for a specific purpose. The tag itself, de180100, is a combination of values derived from preprocessor macros in the lib++ configuration header file. These values encode the version serial number of lib++, the hardening mode of the library, and whether exception throwing is enabled. This ABI tag is essential for ensuring consistency and preventing ODR, one definition rule, violations that may arise from mixing different versions or configurations of lib++ within project. To sum it up, the ABI, de180100 suffix you're seeing, is not a mysterious anomaly, but a deliberate mechanism put in place by lib++ to maintain ABI compatibility and uphold the integrity of C++ standard library functions across different compilation units. Understanding the inner workings of these ABI tags provides valuable insights into the behind-the-scenes processes of compiling C++ code. With that, I hope this video has shed some light on this arcane suffix conundrum. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on this quirky journey into the world of C++ ABI tags. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!